Okay. Um, I guess I'm gonna be trying to fight the other mechanical bosses. I have the hollowed armor set now instead of what I had previously, which was titanium. I do have a significantly a smaller amount of defense because of it, but I do have the buff that does the invincibility after doing damage. So I'm gonna try to fight these guys, I guess. I guess I can try Skeletron Prime. Well, that one was closer, but I didn't have enough health. I might need stronger health potions, and then grind for, what are they called? The more life fruits, because I've only found 2 of them. I guess I might be able to try the Queen Slime. I don't know if I can just summon the Queen Slime anywhere, or if it has to be in that biome, because that's the only, hollowed, I guess, is what it's called, and there's not much of it. I've never actually fought the Queen Slime before, so I don't know what its move pool is. Like, it looks very range-based. I really don't know how to dodge those attacks. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Round 2, I suppose. Alright. Okay, it was kind of a messy fight, but I managed to do it. I think that's the first time I've beaten Queen Slime, like, ever. Enchanted Dagger. Assassin Shirt. Let me just use the extra slot. So this looks decent. Almost on par with what I have on right now, actually. So that there, that. I just need the pants now. That'll be good if I'm a mage. So maybe my next move is to try to get frost armor, or maybe try to beat the Queen Slime again and get the rest of the leggings. And maybe try to switch out things for a different class? Oh, I have a lot of health potions. Okay. I don't know exactly where to go from here. Well, that is not a lot of defense. But it is for magic and summoning. Interesting. And that's the other. What is that? Soul of Night, 2 of those. Desert Spirit Lamp. 97 magic damage. Interesting. But I'm not exactly sure where to go from here. What preparations to do. I think I've fought everything besides the bosses that are here, so I guess I'm gonna grind for more of the heart life fruits, make more potions, try to set up a better arena, I guess. If you have any more tips, go ahead and let me know. I'm not sure exactly where I can go from here. Besides just trying it again and again, like I did with previous bosses. And I haven't played Master Mode for quite some time, so I don't know some of the newer items. Or Expert Mode. I know Master Mode's harder than Expert Mode as well. Maybe there's like new spells. I'll also take a couple, probably quite some time actually to look at the wiki. But yeah, that's it for now. I don't exactly know where I could go from here. Unless... No, I can't even explore the dungeon because ectoplasm isn't available until after it's either Plant Terra or the other mechanical bosses. So I guess maybe I could try to do Old One's Army, but I don't think I'm prepared for that either. But I'll see where I can go from here.